Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how crude price has moved in the month of September and how it can move in the last 2 weeks of September. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, it is trading at around $83.46. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video, I have already explained you and made you noted that 85.46 is a strong support. So probability was very high that once the price moves below this particular level, we can see it can go further down. Okay, and now the price of crude has made a low of around $81.31 as you can see in the particular chart. Okay, so before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, even stocks, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. Okay, in commodities and forex, and a telegram link also I given in the description in that too. See, now look at this particular chart. What we have seen, a swing formed at this particular level. Okay, first the high was around 129.51. okay, after that what we have seen, this high is in the month of starting week of March and this is in the month of June. You can say this is the first week. So we have seen there is a rise as well as fall, and after this we have seen this is the range where the price of crude was very volatile. After that we have seen there is a continuous downfall. So suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, which is a higher probability that we can see it can move further low. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $81.31. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of $79.5. okay, once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability of moving further low towards a level of $76.89. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a high chance that we can see it can touch a level of $74.68. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can fall further and can touch a level of $68.05. okay, and once the price fall below 68.05, then there is a higher probability of moving further low towards a level of 66, and then we can see a level of $63.19. okay, and once the price fall below $63.19, then there is a probability of moving further low, because the chances will be very high that it will come in this particular zone and there is a volatility in this zone, and we can see that supports are already weak, so probability is high. We can see it can come in the zone of 55 to 50. okay, so any doubt, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. Now understand something, that the market is uncertain. Okay, as we know that there is a CPI data will come and again, and there is a Fed meeting will held again, so probability is high. We can see there is some changes we can see in the metal as well as in the crude. Okay, so suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, it can go again to a level of $85.29. okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $90.16. okay, so suppose if the price goes above this particular level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $93.25, which is again a resistance, which is a weak resistance. So probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $99.88. okay, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $105.19. so once the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $112.26. and if the price move above that level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $119.78. okay, so if it goes above this level, then there is a higher probability of moving further upside and can touch a level of $123.76, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I will given the mail ID in the description. okay, and overall trend, we can say it can be on the negative side, it can go further down, but if it sustain above a level of 94, then only we can see towards an upside in the price of crude, or if it goes above a level of 85.48, then only we can see there can be a chances it can go further upside. Any doubt, mail ID given in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.